These titles will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above version. I have also included lens dust and bokeh particles. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Let's import lens dust and bokeh particles. Also, I am going to import video clips. Let's place video clip and dust and particles on the timeline. Place them like that. Change lens dust and bokeh particles blend mode to screen. Now open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Select Manage Additional Folder. Click on Add. Select Motion Graphics folder. Click OK. Here all titles are installed. Place any template on the timeline. Here you can change the text. Fonts can be changed from here. Change text color from here. Change text position and scale from here. These titles have in and out both animation. You can also increase or decrease its duration. That's it. Thanks for watching.